Welcome to Veg Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी आयज हांव तुमकां आमची क्विक सॅलड गोंयचें सॅलड दाखयता. So today I'm going to show you a very quick salad what we Goans make it quick, okay, whenever we have like on Sundays and all. Very easy. 1 onion, 1 tomato, 2 green chilies. If you don't want spicy, 1 green chili is enough. 1 lime, salt to taste. That's it. So we have to slice this. And then you make it chop this way. Okay. Very tasty, simple salad. Now we'll put tomato also. If you don't want the seeds, then you can take out the seeds. Now we'll chilies, where you want. Now if you don't want to add lime, because in Goa we used to add vinegar, so I will also add vinegar, but if you want you can add this lime. So this is a Goan vinegar and you need very less. So illishi galpachi yetta motha already, so just a tinge, and salt to taste. And the salad is ready. Quick and delicious salad is ready to serve on your lunch plate. Enjoy this salad. Make it in your kitchen. Thank you. Dev Bare Karo.